Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a top 11 soccer mod. So this is absolutely crazy. Basically, this will allow you to get unlimited tokens and money for top 11 soccer. So I'm going to go ahead and load into the game, show you guys that I do have the mod enabled. You guys can see the tokens started increasing close to instantly. Basically, you're going to be installing a modified version of the game, and that's how you're going to be able to get the unlimited tokens for free. So usually, you're going to have to purchase these through the App Store, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get it for absolutely free. You want to go ahead and go under Settings, go to General, and then once you're in General, go ahead and go to Background App Refresh, and make sure it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like that. And then you guys are ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click back to settings, and you want to go ahead and look for battery. So here's battery right here. You want to make sure you guys do not have low power mode on. So if you're on iOS or Android, make sure to disable the low power mode. Go to App Store and make sure automatic downloads are checked off. And then guys, you are ready for the top 11 soccer mod for your device. So let's go ahead and go to our internet browser. You want to go to this website right here. So make sure you type it in correctly. It's right here. We're going to click the search bar. And then we're just going to go ahead and type in top 11, and let's go ahead and see top 11 mod, and then click done, and it should pop up. There it is right there. It's for iOS and Android, and it is completely free. So just make sure you guys have top 11 soccer installed on your device already. Alrighty guys, so it's going to be installing the mod directly onto my mobile device. I've already installed this, but I'm going to take you guys step by step, show you guys exactly how to do it. It's very simple to do. It should only take about 2 to 3 minutes to install. So let's go ahead and let it do its thing really quick. And I would suggest being on Wi-Fi so it does download much quicker. Once you're done with that, you will have the mod enabled. So there it is right there, top 11 soccer mod. You guys can see it started increasing close to instantly, and you can use this to purchase anything on the game. It is completely safe, so you're not going to get like in trouble, or you're not going to get like banned or anything like that. But let's go ahead and see. It looks like we did receive the full amount. This is crazy guys. Hope you guys enjoy this, and until next time, see you guys.